Hi, it's Amanda, and it's game day. So we're gonna make turkey chili because it's easy AF. Okay, now this may not seem like it's easy because there's so many ingredients in chili, but honestly, the technique, the method is just putting it all together in a pot and letting it cook. So, onions and garlic. Everything good starts with onions and garlic. You're gonna saute those, let them get nice and soft, juicy, maybe even season them a little bit. And today we're using turkey meat. You can use pork, you can use beef, you can use chicken, but I'm using turkey and I'm gonna show you a trick about my turkey. Red peppers are going in, you can use orange peppers, yellow peppers, whatever you like. And the key, the most important thing about this recipe that I'm gonna tell you this whole time is your spices have to get cooked. When I say cooked, I really mean bloomed, whole other culinary term. It just means that you're cooking the spices, you're giving them heat, you're giving them moisture. This is cumin, cayenne, chili powder, obviously, because we're making chili. These spices have sat around in jars. They need to wake up. They need to not be raw or dry. Okay, so all the spices are in. All the onions, the peppers, the aromatics. I'm just gonna stir it up, and the smell in here is incredible. That chili powder gives it everything. Okay, now you would think that the meat's gonna go in now, but because it's turkey, it's gonna go in before the liquid ingredients. I'm gonna put some tomato paste. I love tomato paste. 2 tablespoons or 2 squeezes. And then the turkey meat is going to go in. But tomato paste is also something that always needs to be cooked. Cooked with the vegetables, cooked with the spices. That shouldn't go in raw. Okay, now the turkey meat goes in. Doesn't have a lot of fat. So we're going to break it up. Woo! I can feel the chili. Woohoo! Spicy! Okay, you break it up with the wooden spoon. But here's a tip. When you're browning ground meat at all, for anything, use a whisk. It breaks up the meat. The natural protein of the meat will want to seize up and clump up. I know that's happened to you when you're making meat sauces or trying to make maybe sloppy joes and you're sauteing the ground beef. Use the whisk. Break it up. It breaks up the meat as it's cooking. It will really help you make a better sauce. Okay, if it sticks in your whisk, let it cook out, or get it out of the whisk with your spoon. 2 tools are better than 1. Or your hands, my favorite other tool. Okay, so that's it. And then in go tomatoes. And those are gonna break up. They're gonna cook out. Beans. I'm using red kidney beans. You can use anything. Black, white, chickpeas even in your chili. I know it's a little unorthodox. And that's it. You hear that quieting down. Everything's gonna start to come together. I'm adding vegetable stock. You can add chicken stock, or you can add the best stock in the world, water. I'm gonna put a lid on it, let it cook for an hour, and we'll come back to it. Okay, this has been cooking for an hour, and I'm just gonna add this secret ingredient of cocoa powder to richen the flavor and deepen the color, and the texture gets a little bit thick with the cocoa powder. I only do this when I use turkey or chicken. Let it cook for 10 more minutes. Okay, it is ready. All the flavors have come together. It's cooked down in a perfect consistency, and it feels so good to fill this bowl full of chili. Comforting, bold, spicy, perfect for a cold day, perfect for game day. And I'm gonna put some garnishes, a scallion, a little cheddar cheese, big dollop of sour cream, and then more. I like a lot of garnish. And then a little bit of cilantro to give it that southwestern feel. And there you have it, turkey chili. It's easy AF, and it's delicious. I'm going in here. Oh yeah, that's got a kick. Don't go anywhere just yet. If you want to score some extra points on game day, turn that turkey chili into nachos. All you have to do is layer it into your chips. You know how much I love chips. Put some cheese on top, a couple of dollops of sour cream, and you got a game day win right there.